So friends, Xiaomi has launched new smartwatch. Name is Xiaomi Watch S3, and this smartwatch is SU7 variant, and this smartwatch launched in a new color and engine sound effects. So first of all, you see this smartwatch and talk about specifications. So this smartwatch price is 99 999 yuan, and this smartwatch feature is 1.43 inch AMOLED display and 15 days battery backup and Hyper OS operating system support this smartwatch, and uh, price is $109. And what do you think this smartwatch? Please tell me, and thank you for watching this video.